where shadows meet the light. A city forged from shattered dreams where day bleeds into night. Steel giants pierce the sky, their edges sharp and cold. In this neon dystopia where stories are untold. Neon veins pulse through the streets with colors bright and stark. Cybernetically enhanced souls roam in the shadows dark. Robotic drones dance above, their eyes like silent spies. In this labyrinth of steel and light where the future never dies. Neon shadows where the city breathes and glows. In the heart of the future where the cyberpunk flows. Metal and flesh in a dance of twilight's hue. In the cyberpunk world where dreams are born anew.